Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to schedule product launches in Shopify. Shopify makes it easy to schedule product launches using the product visibility settings. You don't need any apps or coding for basic scheduling. When you create or edit a product in Shopify admin under product, looking for the sales channel and apps section on the right side, there you will see a product availability where you can control when a product becomes visible on your online store. Click set publish date and choose the future date time you want the product to go live. Once scheduled, Shopify will automatically publish the product on your chosen date, making it visible to customers without manual intervention. This method works well for standard product dropping and launching scheduling. However, if you are planning a large collection launches, pre-order campaign, or need a advanced scheduling features like countdown timer or launching multiple products at once, you might consider app like Launchpad for Shopify Plus users or third-party app that helps manage timer releases. For most stores, through Shopify's built-in visibility scheduling is enough and handle simple product launches. To schedule product launches on Shopify, just set a future publish date and the product availability settings and a simple no-code solution that works for most launch needs.